So,
No, just say your name and then we'll just talk to the pigs.
my name's Rory Mullen.
Oh no. My name is Rory Mullen.
My name is Karl Astbury.
And we were just in a performance, which was...
Which is great, wasn't it?
What?
Great.
Yes. What did we do? What was the first bit?
We uncovered a bug body
From Salford.
from Salford.
Nothing at all. Ooh, an amulet. Look at the face of a cat. And here's his penis.
We then went into, what did we do then,
There was
Rory?
a little man in a ship trapped in a bottle.
Yeah.
My friends works in nanotechnology, so they've given me a little tiny camera.
Yeah, so we did that. Then it's like,
And then you drowned.
yeah, it's like struggling, to find meaning, find anything in life really. Just waddling around in a freaking bottle,
Yeah.
and wondering why am I here? What do
What have
I
I done?
do? Like it's awful life. Life's just awful.
And then what did you do? Then we told two stories and you were doing Foley.
Oh yeah, we did the pipe story. And Rory did some drawing,
Yeah. And then you did the Foley,
and then did the Foley.
like on the archers.
Yeah. Did like pop.
And then there was we discovered a 3D printer.
Did the 3D printer, all about new technology. Manchester's moving forward in new industries and technologies, and we really want to reflect that. It's we're moving beyond the industrial revolution now, guys. This is all about 3D printing, graphene, yeah.
And then what do we do then?
Just under the surface of every man there lies a rat.
We got a rat
It was an ancient Irish pagan tradition.
out of the room,
And have you enjoyed yourself?
and it's great. Thank you.